Welcome to Diary of a Holistic Nutritionist. Let me heartily welcome our returning subscribers. And for those of you here for the first time, remember to press the notification button and subscribe so that you'll be the first to know once we have a new episode. We started an introductory furrow into fats and oil last episode. I am your host, Olakweju Osemubo. I'm a scientist, a researcher, and holistic nutritionist. Fats and oils are around us everywhere. I'm sure all of us know them. One thing you probably have noticed is fats are solid even at ordinary room temperature, whereas oils are liquid at room temperature. Room temperature being when they're outside the fridge. So those are the major things we want you to know. That's why we didn't talk only about fats or talk only about oils. They are the same actually, just that we have to have a way to differentiate them, because how they appear is important to what they do in your body and what you may need to know if you want to eat them. So fats and oils are important. They are necessary for proper functioning of your body. One, the immune function, that thing that makes you healthy. It keeps all the different organs working well, and so you are healthy. It is also important for reproduction. It's important for healthy vision, proper functioning of the major organs, whether they are your kidney or liver or the heart. They're very important. They are also important for transporting things from one place to another. For example, there are some vitamins that will need fat to transport them from place to place. So it is important that we have fats and oils in our meals. Some people are so afraid of fats that they hardly eat any of them. Please, we need them for growth and development. So most of the fats and oils your body requires, you can get from food. Saying that even if you don't go searching for it, they are in the food that you eat. But let me make a quick exception to that rule. The rule that says the food you eat will suffice for fats and oils. There is a group of fatty acids called omega-3 and omega-6 and even omega-9 that you will need to eat. You will not get them from your meal. So please take that to heart. So some of the things that these fats and oils are carrying from place to place may not by themselves be fat or oil, but they act as a way of moving them from place to place. For example, you probably have heard of the vitamin A. You need fats and oils to move it. And that reminds me, there is hardly any one food that contains only one type of nutrients, which is for our advantage, which means you actually can tinker with your food, the type of food you eat, so that you have, remember our rainbow of colors and different types of food. So it is important that the food that we eat are able to give us all that we need. And it is important for us to be able to use that to decide our food intake. If you believe you don't need a lot of fat, you will show it in the way you decide the food that you eat. And we will begin from next episode to clarify some issues. Why I am asking us to work very, very slowly is so that when we come to the deep end, we will not disagree, at least not too much. We are still at the shallow end of knowledge. We will begin to move deeper and deeper into it. So we are saying that we'll clarify more issues and even tell you the different types of fats and oils that we have. One thing that is clear is we must begin to understand how things interact, how one food interacts with another. Have you ever noticed that if you fry something in fats or oils, it gives you a lot of taste, it adds taste to it? Because it gives it some molecules that will add taste to it. Does that now mean that we can fry as many times as we want? No. It just means that we must manage how we process our food. To eat some fried things, fried egg or whatever. Try also to look at boiled ones and other ways. I will now say that you should please interact with us down in the comment section below. And if you have any question on any type of food, please be sure to post it. Please share our content and like us and generate a comment. So until next time, remember, wellness is the basis of health and beauty. See you then.